Hello guys, today we will learn about how to create a Zoom meeting on iOS or Android. The simple is same for both devices, so don't worry if you have iOS instead of Android, which I'm currently using right now. The first thing we should do is click on this new meeting button right here. It will ask us about these options. If you tick on video on, it will directly join the meeting by recording your face from your camera. I personally turn that off and also use my personal ID. If you use that, it uses your personal meeting ID by joining the meeting. I start a meeting while my video is off. It's connecting right now and I'm connected. And if you want to invite your friends, click on participant. And the simplest way is to copy the invite link and send it to your friends by text. We are in the meeting right now. If I want to end the meeting, I can simply click on this end button to end the meeting easily. Just leave or end the meeting for all. I say end the meeting for all. And yes guys, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video.